Hi, welcome to the next episode of VCF Breakroom Chats. I'm Tako Inishi, Product Marketing Engineer at Broadcom, and I lead product marketing for VCF Automation, which is a core component of VCF that powers the private cloud self-service experience. And in this series focused on VCF Automation, we bring VMware and industry experts to discuss VCF's cloud infrastructure automation capabilities. And in today's episode, I'm really excited to speak with Michael Gandy, Product Manager at Broadcom. And Michael leads product management for VMware Data Services Manager, or DSM. And so today we're going to dive into how VCF Automation and DSM simplify database as a service, which we call DBaaS, for the modern private cloud and how it ties into broader IT trends. Michael, thanks for being here with us today.
Thanks for having me, Taka. I'm very excited to be here to talk about this topic because DSM combined with VCF automation is really transforming how enterprises are delivering and managing database in private cloud.
Awesome. All right, so let's start with the basics. For those who are new to this concept, what exactly is the DBaaS use case that we're enabling with VCF Automation and DSM?
Yeah, I mean, DBaaS really transform how organizations deliver databases to their application team. It means giving you developers and app teams a self-service experience to provision, scale, and manage databases without waiting on ticket or manual approval. And with VCF, automation, and DSM, VMware brings that same public cloud-like experience into your private environment, backed by governance, security, and operational consistency that our enterprise trust.
Got it, got it. Now, why is DBaaS so important right now for the modern enterprise IT?
Yeah, in most organizations and most customers I talk to today, databases are still managed manually,
Hmm.
provisioning on ticket requests, and actually they observe a sprawl of databases across environments. That slows down developers and frustrates IT admins. With DBaaS, IT can automate delivery and lifecycle management of database instances while maintaining full control, performance, backup policy, compliance, governance, all automated through VCF and DSM. It's really bridged the gap between legacy infrastructure management and modern cloud agility.
Hmm.
You get the self-service experience developer demand, like any public cloud, but deploy entirely on-prem with your data staying under your roof.
And that sounds both powerful and practical. So, what specific outcomes can customers expect when leveraging this integration?
Yeah, it's very easy. I'm talking to a lot of customers, and the top three are agility, consistency, and cost efficiency. The outcomes that they are looking at, it's for developers to get faster access to databases they need. And on the admin side, they want to automate all these tedious tasks of manual provisioning and ongoing patching work. That is very tedious, right?
Hmm.
And because DSM works natively with VCF automation, it reuses the existing VCF constructs they are familiar with, like networking, storage policy, even the RBAC, right?
Hmm.
So there's really no shadow IT. The result is developer velocity, translating to faster app delivery. This is what the business is looking at, but as well, lower operational overhead and stronger governance.
Nice, nice. And you mentioned, DSM works natively with VCF. Can you expand on, how this integration has evolved?
Yeah, of course. I mean, it started some while back, right? It started when DSM integrated with Serialized Automation or VRA to enable database provisioning through blueprints. This already brings some advance to our customer. It worked, but they wanted more.
Hmm.
So then came VMware AI Automation, which brought a lot of improvement like better UI, richer APIs, more flexible blueprints. The integration was tighter. And VCFA plus DSM is really the inflection point, right? Because VCF automation is purpose built for private cloud consumption.
Mm.
And DSM is now a first-class VCF service. It's not just a simple add-on that is built on the top of it. So the integration is seamless, unified policy engine, unified operation, unified consumption experience. It's really mature, right? And customers really love this when they see a demo of these two things together.
Mhm.
And the progression shows our commitment to making this platform the standard for on-prem DBaaS. Each generation gets better, simpler, and more powerful.
And that's a major leap forward. Next, I hear this question a lot too, but many of our people in our audience, they may also be wondering, but how does DSM relate to Tanzu data intelligence offerings?
Yeah, of course, good question. And the short answer is they're complementary. DSM is purpose-built for VCF. It focuses on automating the life cycle of traditional and modern relational databases, right? Think Postgres, MySQL, or MS SQL Server, delivered as a service within VCF to the application team. Tenzu Data Intelligence covers analytics, messaging, caching with products like RabbitMQ, Greenplum, Gemfire. It's more about the data platform layer. So in other words, if you think of Broadcom portfolio, we have a strong set of in-house and partner foundational services for all your data transformation needs. You've got DSM to operationalize self-serve DBaaS at scale, right? And you've got Tenzu data intelligence for your lakehouse capabilities, federated queries across data source, and advanced analytics.
Okay, so if you're a VI admin or cloud admin that's deploying DBaaS for your organization, then DSM is your platform. But if you're building advanced data analytics, then Tanzu Data is your tool. Got it. All right. Now, let's go back to, why this matters for VI admins. How does this help them advance their careers?
Yeah, I mean, if you look at VMware, I've been there for like 12 years now. VI admin started as compute expert, right? The VM expert. And then we gave them the new superpower like storage virtualization, networks virtualization. And now it's very similar. Now with VCF Automation and DSM, they can evolve into full cloud admins,
Hmm.
delivering a portfolio of self-service infrastructure and services like DBaaS,
Hmm.
right? So it's a natural next step, learning automation, policies, and service enablement. It demonstrates cloud era skills that actually are in very high demand across every IT organization.
And that's an exciting growth path. And how does this, tie into broader trends like AI and Kubernetes?
Yes, yeah. I mean, it's very aligned, right? And this is where things get exciting because VCF9 is not just about traditional uh, workloads anymore, right? So for AI workloads, DSM enable VectorDB. So specifically, we support Postgres with pgvector extension. And this is critical for RAG workflows when you are building intelligent application that retrieve data from enterprise repository on-prem to augment your LLM, right?
Hmm.
For Kubernetes workloads, same way, VCF9 VKS natively runs container alongside VM. So now we give this very consistent UI APIs to application team for compute network storage, but services as well, like databases.
Hmm.
Right? This is really the architectural beauty of VCF automation to provide this unified consumption experience for all of this.
Perfectly said. And so DBaaS, enabled by VCF Automation, DSM, isn't just about technology. It's also that bridge to modern operations and career growth.
Yeah, exactly. I mean, it's not only helping enterprises simplify and modernize database operation, but it helps the VI admin transition, what we call, right, the private cloud admin role, delivering cloud services internally. It's an evolution, right? And they are very excited about that because now you are running a cloud business, not just infrastructure. The role is more strategic, and they will gain highly marketable skills that are well, actually rare and very valuable.
Mhm. Okay, yeah, great insights. Um, any final thoughts for our attendees?
Yeah, I mean, I would just say if you're already building a private cloud with VCF 9, adding DSM is super easy and it gives you a fast track to offer more high value services like DBaaS. It's, for me, the next step forward, becoming a truly cloud ready infrastructure organization, right?
Mhm.
And it's your pathway to carry advancements into cloud operations.
All right. Thanks, Michael, for helping us understand how DBaaS is a transformational capability that advances VI admin careers, while solving real enterprise problems.
Thanks as well, Taka. I'm glad we were able to show how adopting DBaaS today can be a competitive advantage.
Likewise. And as you heard, this is your pathway to delivering enterprise grade self-service database capabilities that, really rival public cloud, all while maintaining the full control. All right. Hope you all like this episode. Please join us for our next one. This is your host, Taka Winishi, signing off. Have an awesome week and see you until next time. Bye.